Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show 'em how I stunt. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So I was a little drunk feeling this. I was drinking some wine. And I was a little wavy. Okay, so we just gonna hop right into this. You already see what I'm doing, all right? Getting that wig ready, that lace, putting that glue on. Make sure you do 2 layers. 2 layers. Always do 2 layers. And I just want to say I did get this hairstyle inspired by Tatiana Ali. She has a video with some curtain bangs, and yeah, that shit popping. I like that. I like that shit. Fulfill your fantasies, become your great escape. The way you did me reciprocated energy, that is my favorite. We locked in, baby, oh yes. We can do whatever it is you like. When I'm around, it's like you're a cloud. I get you so high, so high, so high. A feeling that you never felt before. You know I love to spoil you. I'm the best thing for you. I'm the best thing for you. The feeling that I bring, just know no one can give it to you. And I bring the whole damn table. Okay, so now when it comes to this part, the layering of your wig, baby, you just gonna have to do it any way you want to, okay? Just layer the bangs. Please don't put too much hair in front of the bangs, though. I feel like I put a little bit too much hair. I wish I would have used less hair. But when you layer it, just layer it. And use that razor, that little eyebrow razor joint that I'm using. And just do it to your liking, okay? I was just playing around with it. Just play around with it. You know what I'm saying? I straightened a little bit of it, did a little doo-doo just to see how it would look when it's done. And, I will razor it just a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Just for an example. So, I had some curling irons, but them shits literally grew legs and walked like 3 years ago. I'm not even gonna lie, I never went and got a new one. So, I just be using my 1-inch flat iron, and this is just how I curl my hair, okay? Very simple and easy. Use it like it's a curling iron, okay? When it comes to our love, no, it's bulletproof. Best thing for you. Best thing for you. Oh, yeah. I get myself in some fucked up situations. Don't know how to maintain them. I've been trying to concentrate. You've been running through my head. You need to relax and just come climb up in my bed. And I've been testing my patience, losing my sanity. Trying to gather reasons why I want you here with me. About 50 on why I shouldn't. Sad to say I couldn't shake the feeling that you just been giving me. Even though you're bad for me, I think I'm worse. Because I just know you're no good, but I need more. I know that I got some problems, and maybe I should go solve them. It's my daddy issues, I'm just being honest. Though I know out there is better for me. I know that I deserve better, baby. I know what my friends are telling me, they're right. Let's hope they won't find out where I'm at tonight. I'm crazy for wanting you in stays. Rather have you in my bed. Bringing waterfalls between my legs. Match my energy, I love it when you're feeling me. Know that I got some issues you can't can't fix up. Love when we get together, we get twisted. Oh, no, you're my biggest problem, I can't fix it. Whenever you call, you know I'm so quick to pick up. Guessing that's just my luck. I'm sick that you got me stuck. I'm in too deep, and now it's hard for me to subtract myself about this equation. I just hate that I get myself in some sticky situations, put myself in this position. Now the only one to blame is me. I'd rather have you beside me. Give me a rush whenever you are inside. It's so divine. My legs unwind so me and you can intertwine. Nothing better than when our worlds collide. When it's just you and I, it's like I'm getting high up off your love and I need more. I know out there is better for me. I know that I deserve better, baby. I know what my friends are telling me. They're right. Let's hope they won't find out where I'm at tonight. I'm crazy for wanting you instead. Rather have you in my bed, bringing waterfalls between my legs, match my energy. I love it when you're feeling me. Know that I got some issues you can't fix up. Love when we get together, we get twisted. Oh, no, you're my biggest problem, I can't fix it.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. I just fixed it up a little bit. I touched up certain things, and I made sure that like this sits up. You don't want that like hanging down. But shout out to Tinashe Hair for this hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go check out all the details on this hair in the description box. Because, bitch, honey couldn't get them words out, baby, okay? Now, yo girl, honey, is all